This is Cyclone Force Samsung. Really very helpful because by the time you do different things, you clean your house. So it's very cool. And everything you can control from your cell phone or from remote control. The actually remote control can pointing. If you take remote control and if you decided pointing some particular spot lighting, so then smart vacuum go to this particular place and do cleaning. The great features, it's working the same as in a hard position, hardwood floor, the same in the carpet or tiles, which is excellent, especially for like my place because I have hardwood floor, I have carpet in the bedroom, and I have tiles in the bathroom, so it's really work out. And again, this is Valentina. Highly recommend you Cyclone Force by Samsung as your best helper in your house.